Alright, so here's our next definition for part 2 in chapter 2, section 1. This is going to follow, kind of, sort of, example 2.2, finding class width. Now, in order to find class width, first we have to find the range of the data. Now, the range of the data is always going to equal the highest value minus the lowest value. So, in our example 2.2, look at the book for reference. It's 134 minus 100, which equals 34. So the range is 34. Yay! Alright, now, to find the width, you take the range and divide by the number of classes you have. Alright, I'm using the hashtag symbol here to represent number of. So I have width is equal to range divided by number of classes. So in this case, the range was 34, and the number of classes that they divided their grouping into was 7. Now, for the most part, we're going to allow our calculators to make that decision for us. The book has some rules for this, but remember, in industry, you will be picking how many different classes you want to break your data into. 3, 5, 20 of them, taking into account what the industry standard is and trying to make it so it's not too many classes to overwhelm the visual effect when you do the graphs of it. But for now, they're telling us to use 7 of them. Now, you'll notice when we do this, we get a decimal of 4.9. Always round this up. So 4.9 will become 5. In a what-if scenario, let's say you had 4.1 as the range, I would then round this to be 5. I round it up to the next highest one. Now, this is how we find the range, this range is found by doing high minus low. The width is by taking the range and dividing by the number of classes. We'll finish this up in the next